Giving students access and opportunity to explore and create within computer science could drastically change their success in school and after school. If their choices to pursue secondary education or to begin working, they would have been introduced to basic technology skills, learned problem-solving skills, and creative thinking skills that could help them be successful in either scenario. My name is Jamie Hunt, and I am the CTI coordinator at Cherokee High School. I am speaking to you, my CTAE PLC and my CTAE admin, in hopes that we can create a computer science course that is unaffiliated with a pathway in order to introduce students to as many tools and computational activities as possible. Currently, our CTAE courses related to computer science are affiliated with a pathway, and students are pushed to complete a pathway that they begin. I propose an allotment for a CTAE teacher who is certified in business technology, computer science, and is extremely knowledgeable about CT and the skills necessary for our students to be successful in all career choices in the future. This teacher must be willing to work with introduction level students all day and not be focused on a pathway. All CTA students in a CTAE course, or all students in general, could be given the opportunity to complete this introduction level class and given access to as many different computer science skills and tools as possible with no commitment to a pathway. Consider the change that this could make for students interested in being successful, which is hopefully all of our students. They could have potentially learned all of the CT and computer skills that they could have access to, basic problem solving skills, creative thinking practice, social skills, and access to a variety of different tools and technology that they could use to reference in the future.